Well, 3D printing is becoming increasingly popular, and it's opening up new ways to create objects that are usually difficult to make.
Our tech reporter, Jordan Hogan, explains how a Utah teen is using his skills to help those in need.
Joseph Huff says he was struck with inspiration to use his knowledge of 3D printing to help others. He says he was volunteering at a local fair with his mentor from 4-H, a youth development organization, when they met a boy who was missing one of his hands. So Huff's mentor offered to make him one.
I got to see the process and how it got put together.
From there, Huff got to work on figuring out how he could do the same thing for other kids who are in need of prosthetic hands.
We went on a tour of Shriners Hospital as part of our prosthetics, understanding, I guess, to see what was needed.
Huff says he learned that one of the biggest problems for kids is finding a way to make prosthetic hands faster and for less, seeing as kids tend to grow out of them so quickly.
We just needed to figure out the best way to print each part, to print them vertical, horizontal, how to orient it, and where best to get the pieces.
4-H also helped out by using some of their funds to buy a state-of-the-art 3D printer to use alongside the two others that Huff had already. Before he knew it, the 16-year-old had gotten to work on creating all the different parts that make up a prosthetic hand. 3D printing isn't all the same. For example, this little thing right here takes about 8 minutes to print, whereas all the components for a prosthetic hand take around 28 hours. In all, Joseph has built 25 prosthetic hands for kids, with help from his 4-H team, his family, and his mentors. He was recognized with a national award and a $5,000 scholarship.
We are customizing these hands with a purpose. It's not just a selfish toy that they're making for them to use, but it's connecting them to the community. It's raising their awareness of needs of those around them.
Another inspiration for this project is Joseph's dad, who had a stroke when he was 25 and hasn't been able to use his right hand since.
I'm hoping to evolve it because I did prosthetic hands for kids, and I am trying to make a design for my dad's hand called a tenodesis that is an exoskeleton for his hand to help him open it better.
Huff says there's still a long way to go on that project, but for now, he says he's happy with what he's been able to achieve. In Orem, Jordan Hogan, Fox 13 News.